There was no empathy. There was sensationalizing everything.
His voyeurism.
And hoping that it's not a straightforward case. Someone tweeted that actually it's Taimur who stabbed his father after watching Adi Purush.
So, all these high-tech securities are also very fallible if the human element
It's
is not
true. But I think
in
this
place.
is a wake-up call. I don't even know how many CCTV cameras work. Kiran, the intruder asked for a crore from the maid and when Saif attacked him allegedly. But what kind of an idiot asked for 1 crore after demonetization? Nobody's keeping that kind of cash at home.
We have this concept of bargaining. So he thought 1 crore मांग
से शुरू करूंगा 1 लाख तो मिल जाएगा
1 लाख तो आ ही जाएगा
अच्छा कुछ नहीं चलो दे दो एक ही दे दो
एक ही दे दो
Kiran, it's not a good time to be safe right now.
Safe is not safe.
His 15,000 crore worth of property, his ancestral property in Bhopal, may get seized by the Madhya Pradesh court, and because of some law which says that you cannot inherit an enemy property. Enemy being, if the original owners of that property have emigrated out of India, as it happened with. So the Nawab of Bhopal had 3 daughters, and the first one was the Nawab herself. But when the partition happened, she migrated to Pakistan, and so that's called it's an enemy property now. And since 2014, this has been going on, but. I think there was a stay on it until 2017. Mm-hmm. And now the matter's in court again. And he stands to lose this property just as he has been discharged from the hospital.
After a lumbar puncture. And
They did a lumbar puncture?
Apparently there was some sort of a lumbar damage to his spine.
Yeah, there was a leak.
So that had to be sealed up and all
near
those
the thoracic spine.
Mm-hmm. I don't understand this very honestly. If it is enemy property, but it was occupied.
But they became enemies. Who happens to be my friend Faiza's great-grandmother.
Okay.
A matriarch and a female Nawab. Can you imagine how grand that is? But anyway.
So now he stands to lose his property after almost having lost his life. 2025 has not begun well for Saif.
The reason I brought this up, Kiran, was that the past couple days, you were traveling.
I was traveling. I missed the entire
country. The whole nation was not obsessed with just the burglary. They were obsessed with coming up with conspiracy theories about has it been faked? How could it have happened? Isn't he a movie star with a lot of security?
So I was on the flight.
Mm-hmm.
I was going on a holiday. I was on the flight. I was not reachable for around 4 to 5 hours. The minute I get network, I call up my son to tell him I've landed. He does not ask whether I've landed safely and how is the weather out there, nothing. Did you see Saif got attacked?
Oh, wow, okay.
So that's when I heard of it first. So what happened? Somebody came and stabbed him 7 times and he gave me all the gruesome details right then and there. He had kept himself completely updated with what was happening.
Did he have a day off from college that day?
He has a day off right now because he's in one of those gap year kind of things. But to be obsessed to the level that barely 4 hours have passed.
At least he wasn't making up stories.
And the amount of
intelligent people we follow on social, and I've unfollowed some of them since. Okay, so first was, it is not adding up. Saif is taken to the hospital at X time, whatever, 2:30 a.m. Kareena only arrives at the hospital at 3:30 a.m. Clearly, they were doing drugs. This is one conspiracy theory.
Listen, whoever's come up with this conspiracy theory has no idea of Mumbai traffic.
No. The question they were saying was that why didn't Kareena accompany him? Then it turned out that Kareena
was not there.
could have a life beyond just staying at home,
she was
being
not
a mother and a wife. And it's possible that she was out. So she was out partying somewhere. Then they were like, oh my God, she was out partying while her husband was getting stabbed, as though she would have a premonition.
Yeah, she's not a sanskari wife.
Sanskari wife. Then the third thing was, oh my God, she parties till so late without her husband, right? And comes home possibly drunk.
Without her husband also.
Without her husband.
Scarlet
again.
Woman.
Then
Now just stitch the S onto her outfits.
yeah, well, these people won't even understand, the ones who are saying these kind of things. Then the fourth was,
Why did they have to go to the hospital in an auto?
yeah.
Was- like, hello, where do you get transport? Have you seen the cancellation on Ubers?
And also, who keeps like a driver parked overnight
24
in the
hours.
off chance that the master of the house will get stabbed?
I know.
I mean, he might have said that, take an off day, and many people have night drivers on duty, I understand, and Saif will obviously have one from now. He's beefed up his security.
But the night driver must have been with Karina, right? She was out.
Right.
So he's not available at home. So the only one left to take him, which
Taimur.
surprises me that there were no adults around to accompany him to the hospital, that a child had to go to the hospital.
Maybe he witnessed the stabbing.
That is traumatic enough.
And in any case, what is it to you?
I know. What is it to you, frankly?
What is it to you?
Or
I know that the lives of celebrities and movie stars are of a perverse kind of interest to the Aam Janta, right? But I think this is now, I think nobody in this was really concerned about the fact that there was a man who was seriously injured. There was no empathy. There was sensationalizing everything
His voyeurism.
and hoping that it's not a straightforward case.
Yeah. See, anything has to be twisted. Now he emerges from the hospital after a few days and he's walking out looking perfectly fit and fine. There's conspiracy
Yeah.
theories
He
going on.
doesn't look like he was.
Stabbed so badly and had a major surgery. I mean, think of it, the man walked into the hospital with a knife sticking out of his back. So
No, it snapped, I think.
it snapped
Yeah.
or whatever. That blade.
Very bad quality steel,
I know.
or whatever that knife was.
Must
made
have
of.
been China Kamal. We have banned TikTok, but we have not banned goods from China.
Yeah.
So, anyway, look at the conspiracy theories, and now the latest one is something about
That some OTT show is coming
coming
up.
out, and it was a promotion for it.
Imagine what an elaborate promotion.
Why would somebody risk, being bedridden for the rest of their life with a bleed in their back for an OTT promotion?
But I think that the other thing that said was that, this is the problem with these movie stars. They take their security for granted.
Maybe there is a point to that.
I think there's a major. Go on.
In the sense, there is so much voyeurism. We see the movie stars, we know which salons they go to, we know which
Yeah.
buildings they live in, we know which restaurants they frequent.
We know what their children look like. We know what their infants look like.
Maybe that's a choice they've made. They've traded with the devil for this kind of paparazzi publicity, but that also sort of their security is at risk.
It's
If
at
they don't
serious
have
risk.
high security in place, any crazed stalker can get in. This was a robber, but stalkers also
Kiran,
are scary, right?
No, and here's the thing. Today, because home delivery of everything has become par for the course, what is it stopping any burglar from putting on? What is it stopping any thug, thief, burglar, murderer from putting on some delivery services uniform? It could even be a aqua guard service. And this has happened to me, by the way, but we'll come to that later. What is preventing them from walking into a building? The security guy will say, "Kahan jata hai?" Now, certain buildings don't even have the system of intercoming. I know that the newer buildings have, but a lot of Bandra buildings don't have that. The guy just goes on up and does his thing and comes back. So there's also a guy can go up and hide around the staircase, wait till it's nighttime, and walk into one of the homes. I mean, it doesn't take very much.
A building with all its high-tech security and MyGate and multiple cameras in every place had some chap come in last year.
Oh, in your building?
In our building, in our society, specifically in our building, and go from the 20th floor to the ground floor and collect all the good shoes from all the shoe racks.
Oh my God, that's funny.
There was such a
That's funny.
There was a hullabaloo the next morning as to A, what was the guard doing? The guard was snoring. B, how did he get in?
Yeah.
And C, when he was collecting all the shoes, did nobody monitor the CCTVs to see that somebody's collecting shoes
That's
at that
damn
point?
funny.
So, all these high-tech securities are also very fallible if the human element
It's
is not
true. But I think
in
this
place.
is a wake-up call. I don't even know how many CCTV cameras work. Now, they've nabbed this guy, Saif's attacker. But the point is that, a few years ago, I remember that my staff said, plumber ko bulaya aapne. And I thought maybe my husband had asked the office to ask for a plumber. He asked for, God knows who had asked for a plumber. So I didn't pay attention. I said, oh, acha, theek hai. I remember my younger one was very small at the time. So I was quite caught up being this hands-on full-time mom. And this guy walked in and he looked around the house. And I came out of my bedroom and I looked at him and I felt uneasy. So I asked him to please wait outside. After, it was my thing that I said, yeah, let him come inside. I rang our office and I said, did anybody ask for a plumber? And they said, not at all. But you see, in a large family,
Yeah, it can happen. Someone thinks the other person has ordered
Yeah,
something
correct.
or asked for some
Exactly.
service to be done. It happens all the time.
and so this guy was clearly figuring out whether this house is something he can break into, whether he can steal things from there. AquaGuard is a very common scam. These AquaGuard service guys, will come and say, AquaGuard service se aaya hu. And you'll think that maybe you signed up with the service or renewed it, or you don't know what everybody has some service thing, contract, or AC service. So there's nothing stopping. And if you're not at home and your staff is answering the phone, they may assume that it's their service turn. So actually, there are many ways to rob a flat now, I'm sorry to say.
There are many ways to rob a flat, but I'm shocked at the lapse of security for somebody who is A, a celebrity and B, pretty wealthy in his own right.
Yeah, and he's a Nawab.
He's a Nawab. I would have expected.
Probably without a castle now, but still.
But still.
It's
we
terrible.
Expected better security. Now that this has happened, I wonder, now that we know that he's hired a security service, Ronit Roy's
Yeah.
security service, better late than never, has happened.
No, but the thing is, I think he wants to lead a normal life. He doesn't want to surround his children with beefed up security. Until something untoward happens, you want to lead a normal life. He's a very intelligent man. He's and you can see from the way the family dresses up and everything, they're very normal, as a movie star couple can possibly be.
And
right?
they're legitimate royalty. He's legitimate royalty. She's Bollywood royalty. So for them, normal is they've grown up in the fishbowl life.
Exactly. But I'm saying, even so, they've grown up in the fishbowl life, and so far things have been all right for them. So they assume
It will
that
continue to
it
be
will
all-
continue to be
all right.
Now, of course, there are children. My children have been to schools, and I'm sure so has your son, where there is a certain parent who has Israeli security guards waiting outside the school. I used to feel very reassured, because I'm like, there's so much security around. Even if it's for some other child, it's good for my child. So I'm just saying, some people indulge in that, and maybe Saif has that kind of security for his kids.
I must say, pretty impressed with the fact that he took the attacker on. I wouldn't have thought of it, somehow you always think of
He's a
Saif.
real hero.
Yeah.
Saif is a real hero.
Yeah, Tiger ka beta, Tiger ka pota. So,
He's got tiger in his veins.
like after Main Anadi, Main Khiladi, we put Saif, Akshay was the macho guy in the
Yeah.
song, and Saif was the
I
feminine
always
guy.
had a soft spot for Saif.
Huh.
Even though I know that he wasn't really
Macho.
the 90s macho man.
Man, yeah.
But he was bright, you could tell from
Yeah,
his
he's
face.
sharp. He's sharp, he's well read, he knows his stuff when he talks.
And his comic timing is fantastic. I have loved every Saif movie in which he plays the Joker.
Okay.
But you don't know of any such movies?
I'm trying to think very hard.
Why that movie with him and Deepika Padukone? What was it called?
I know the song.
Not Cocktail.
Which is that movie?
I'll tell you.
They were abroad somewhere.
Love Aajkal tha.
Best roles.
There was a Saif and Preeti Zinta movie that was very funny. Salam Namaste.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
So Saif did Love Aajkal, Salam Namaste, Dil
Yeah.
Chahta Hai.
Right.
He has great comic timing.
I think
Really
he's
good.
been one of our underrated actors.
He has been.
And even in Omkara, he was fabulous as Langda Tyagi. So
he
you
was
can go
excellent.
the
So he's very
opposites
versatile
that-
also.
the two ends of the spectrum with comic timing and intense dark roles as well.
I think whether or not he intended to gain publicity in a good way, the fact that we're discussing Saif on this podcast and waxing eloquent about, all his old work and how versatile he is, I think that,
Maybe time for us
I think that was a silver lining
to this attack.
to the stabbing attack, yeah.
It's a sad thing that it
And
took a stabbing.
even though it was, even though his spine got attacked, he's not a spineless man. He stood up for himself and beat that guy. Did you beat the guy?
The guy escaped to the bathroom.
Yeah, they locked him up.
Yeah, and he
Yeah.
escaped to the bathroom window. But the fact that he took the knife, he sort of protected his kids. Wonderful. When everybody else was, all the other help was covering in various other places in the house.
Yep.
I think that was very
And then he hung out
commendable.
with the auto guy today, and he's like taken pictures with him and all, and thanked him and everything. The auto guy didn't know it was Saif.
Yeah, he just saw somebody bleeding and he took him to
I'd be quite upset actually if I've been stabbed and I'm a movie star
and the person doesn't recognize
and
you.
I'm not recognized. I'm like, what the hell?
See, he wanted a normal life, right? So this is what comes of wanting a
Yeah,
normal
but
life.
it's such a. I mean, it's quite. Isn't it upsetting? Like you've been hospitalized and you're reading the newspapers and they're like, oh, the auto guy saying, oh, हमें तो पता नहीं चला कि वो सैफ अली खान थे. Meaning you're not recognizable any longer. I think Saif should just do a really kick-ass film. Oh, by the way, he was in that series Sacred Games.
Yeah, he was very good in Sacred Games.
We
too.
forgot about that.
Yeah, that was another intense role, which was
Exactly.
really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to see more of Saif and not getting into hospitals and getting stabbed.
And we also, while that is true, I think we started this podcast by saying that people need to develop more empathy. And the memes, Bandra is unsafe, and all those kind of safe memes that have come up.
Mumbai is unsafe.
It's horrible. Yeah.
You know anything to politicize the issue.
True.
But anyway, it's good that he's back and it's good that he walked out healthy and happy.
Maybe now they can do a movie on this. And it can be a whodunit. Instead of now we know who done it,
But we know the who done it, we know the why done it. It doesn't make for a movie.
actually, but I do want to say, maybe the thief perhaps didn't know, because why would you take your chances and break into somebody's flat where he's likely to have security and cameras and stuff inside?
He didn't know. That's what came out. He really
Right.
didn't know. Because my conspiracy theory in my head was that somebody from the staff helped him, because how could somebody randomly
Yeah.
break into a movie star's home? But apparently it was so lax that they could.
Kiran, the intruder asked for a crore from the maid and when Saif attacked him allegedly. But what kind of an idiot asked for 1 crore after demonetization? Nobody's keeping that kind of cash at home.
You know, we have this concept of bargaining. So he thought 1 crore
से
मांगूंगा.
शुरू करूंगा 1 लाख तो मिल जाएगा.
1 लाख तक तो आ ही जाएगा.
अच्छा कुछ नहीं, चलो दे दो, एक ही दे दो.
एक ही दे दो. 1 लाख तो कोई ना कोई रखता है घर में, मिल ही जाएगा. But we know all the details now. The intruder asked for 1 crore.
Yeah.
How much Max Bupa sanctioned, or whatever the insurance company was.
The hospital insurance.
Her hospital insurance. The newspapers had all the details.
Oh, so I think these guys must be paying photographers and these bloggers. You know, this is a chance to get like endorsement and publicity.
Possibly.
तो वही होगा. Hospital gets publicity. Max Bupa gets publicity.
The doctor gives an interview saying he walked in like a lion with blood-drenched clothes.
He should have said
by-
like a tiger. Walked in like a tiger. Exactly like you said. That would have been more befitting.
No, I think he forgot the tiger connection.
Acha.
He must have said lion. He walked in with he was drenched in blood, but he walked in like a lion with only his small child Temur. He's a real hero.
But listen, how traumatized must a child
Child
be?
be.
Because the younger child witnessed the entire incident.
But how brave the child is to
How
go
brave.
to
Hats
go
off.
with his father in that condition. Any other child would be shrieking or really.
Oh my
doctor.
God, one of the stupid conspiracy theories, not conspiracy, one of the memes was, oh, he named his son Temur. This was bound to happen to him. Can you believe this? What a country we live in. And this was all for some reason,
It's a
now,
circus.
you know that I didn't go looking for these memes, but it was weird. It's weird, the whole algo on Twitter just throws up really ridiculous, hateful stuff.
The hateful stuff is the stuff that gets traction, unfortunately.
And speaking of which, people who have actually unfollowed Trump on across platforms, on Meta platforms, Instagram followed him back again.
Oh,
That's right. This is this morning's news.
really?
That's right.
So would they be called fake followers added on to boost his numbers?
No, you try and unfollow him. Meta will make you follow him back again.
Really?
That's right.
That is just pushing Trump down your
Both Vance and Trump.
Okay. That's why they've been on my feed, and I thought it was the For You and
No,
following.
you try and I mean, I know you don't follow him, but just unfollow Trump and see what happens tomorrow.
I have never followed him, but
Many celebs have tweeted about it.
Really?
I have posted about it on Instagram. Yeah.
so this was part of his deal with Zucker. Whoever hath unfollowed shall follow again.
Yeah, that's right.
I need the numbers. I need to beat all these Indian celebrities with being the most followed.
Indians. That's right. Correct.
I have to be the most followed person in the world.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Yeah. Oh my God! Can I just share one more thing? He acted in Adipurush. sorry.
Adipurush.
Yeah. So somebody had written on Twitter. You may not share it. You decide. Somebody had written on Twitter that there was no intruder. Because first they were also alleging that there's been some row between Kareena and him.
Okay.
And then someone wrote
And
on
that
Twitter,
she was stabbed him?
alleging. I mean, so alluding to that.
Okay.
But then someone tweeted that actually it's Taimur who stabbed his father after watching Adipurush.
How mean. How mean. No, don't use that. Childless. It's very funny, but child.
But Kiran, I just want to say that we can now laugh at it because Saif is home and he's walked
He's
back out
safe
of the
and,
hospital
yeah.
and he's safe. So it's all ended well for him. And I actually like the guy. So it's not a disclaimer. But the fact is that people really have had a field day. You know, they say all's well that ends well. So in hindsight, all these jokes are funny now, though at that time it was annoying me. And actually, I tweeted about it. Can I just read out my tweet? Kiran, I did tweet about it. I tweeted to say that people who are coming up with conspiracy theories about, this unfortunate incident involving Saif is a commentary on the joblessness of our people.
Which is absolutely true. Look at the unemployment figures.
But I
They
got one like on that tweet.
People are all so jobless.
That's a good one.